to do a mannequin challenge.
Ako first time ko gagawin ko.
Mannequin challenge. Okay, so for everybody's instructions, ganito po ang mannequin challenge. Magpapanggap po tayong lahat as mannequins. So, for those of you who bought Burlington socks, please make sure that you think of a pose, wacky man yan, pa-cute or whatever, but pose together with your Burlington socks, okay? And you have to hold your pose for as long as I will ask you.
Wala.
Ready? Pahihirapan natin ba? Sige, Nadine. Okay. Madali to eh. Giveaway. Okay. Ready? Nads, ready, get set, go. Congratulations on the Wings of Love agad. Congratulations. Let's give them a big round of applause, everyone. Ang galing! Thank you so much. Ang bilis naman nun. Talagang alam nila. Okay na, quota naman siya sa selfies, di ba? Ayan.
Hindi ko alam kung paano nila nahulaan eh. 5 words pa lang eh.
Sakto lang yun. And we are awarding our contestants with gift packs from Burlington. And for the rest of our shoppers right here at Robinson's Place,